Hello everyone, this is Satish here from Aerobot. Today we will be focusing on what is Passkey is all about. So hope you all doing good and safe amidst COVID-19 crisis. Let's pray for a very safer walk back once this thing gets solved and let moving forward. So we are going to discuss more in detail about this Passkey which has been worked in the last 3 years as a background stuff. We were working on development of autonomous software systems. So today our focus is on what is this framework and how it is going to be useful for students and research community. So with this kind of introduction, I would like to get inside what is this Passkey is all about. So Passkey is basically an innovative framework dedicated for students and research community for easy understanding of a complex system in any field of study. So the biggest problem we faced when we are working with the autonomous system is keeping everyone on the same page. That is, it is not possible if we have all the people in the team to understand the concept same way. So what we did is we created a framework in which what and all we would like to share with our juniors or the team players, we'll make them represent in a single page information so that they get to know the whole process, what is happening. So that process helped us to achieve the development in a very quick span of time, as well as also troubleshooting in a better way. So we got engaged with a lot of research scholars as well as the students across the universities to get involved in this project of autonomous system, wherein we could be able to discuss with them plenty, and thereby we understand there is some kind of information which is required from a person with plenty of experience to the people who are going to get experience. So the word I mean, people with more going to get experience are the students and the research scholars. So thereby what we did is we framed a framework, we created a framework with the help of our experience, and that's where we would like to present it today, and it's what we call it as a paper scientist. A scientist is born with a paper and representing any complex thing in a single sheet of paper. So and we would like to focus on the certain areas like teaching aid, where any professor would like to explain a student or anyone about that is going to be easy and is possible. So is likewise you hope everybody got a fair idea of that. So what is this Passkey represented? So Passkey is basically represented as any kind of a topic. What exactly we are going to talk is going to involve HW cube algorithm or a frame. HW cube is nothing but how, what, why, where. So this is the reference. So when you go into any of the Passkey sheet which is being supplied to you, or we will see that you will be able to get back once you read it, you will be able to understand how is formed, why and what and where. You can able to question yourself, which is going to connect all your vital information with the supportive research and learning interconnect with the illustrations and all the technical implementation, everything compressed in a single page of information. So if you want to go through, if some professor teaches you about the GNSS, there's a plenty of information there. There's always something called vital and very critical information. But again, it all has to have a very clear defined case. That is, what is called GNSS is different from what might be a GNSS applied for. So we have to understand Passkey will change this model, or Passkey representation changes based on your questions. So we have represented certain use cases to help the current community in such a way that you can use them and make use of that. So we started this Passkey in a kind of a program where we have been offered a training program to be given to one of the customer called Mahindra Automotive Private Limited in Chennai. So who has asked us to give us a self-driving car sensor package training program. So that is where we started developing this platform, and that is where we thought in order to get all the people trained in a singular way, we created a game. So that game is to bring the critical decisions of the sensor data in one unified platform where they can able to understand how each and every sensor is contributing for the success of the autonomy. So you will see that now, yes, this autonomous race one, we're just going to give you a fair idea of how to start and how the game ends. The most important thing, everywhere you have a thing called what kind of sensors are used. You'll have a situation where what sensors you should use and what sensors you are not supposed to use. So when we worked so hard to bring all this development into a single page and also give the offsets, references where to be placed, we realized that this is something the most importantly the industry is looking for. Where it is required, how it is required, what is required, and when it is required. That is what is that is where that is where the passkey is born. And also in the bottom you see about one reference system, one example of the passkey. You did have LinkedIn link also we shall be sharing with you, and you just see in this initial measurement you just see everything related to that. And we are very glad to bet you in front if you see something which is missed here, and if something critically you have to know about initial measurement and something is missed, please let us know. We are very happy and we also apologize for that. And this is we have taken with the years and years of experience, and this is something we are going to give it as an aid for any professor who would like to teach about the initial measurement unit, and so that they can use that in the front page in the hand, and when they distribute the same to the students have got a fair idea of how this is happening, and practically speaking this is how it's been implemented. So it gives us a fair thought process of that. Okay, everything is fine. What is this passkey? Yes, now we have the answer for that. Passkey is nothing but a framework as a service. It's just a basic knowledge guide or a knowledge book, base level explanation, process workflow, reasoning behind details, pictorial graphic representation, delivering knowledge in a structured manner. You would have come across many applications, many things which you have not really thought about and you really have not really concerned about, but you really feel that, oh god, I don't know how to learn this. So passkey is for you. And we just developed this platform only for students as well as the engineering people at this moment, because we have only experience and expertise on this. We don't have anywhere else. So we are going to give this framework as a framework. Also we shall supply plenty of passkey examples in GNSS, sonars, lidars, data science, artificial intelligence, autonomous system, and so many things we are going to come up. And also we are going to sit with you if you have a requirement. We shall also help you to improve your knowledge as well as the learning capacity, as well as if you are a professor and if you are thinking, hey, this is something we are looking for and we would like to deploy this on our development, please feel free to reach us. We will help you out. And don't think this we are expensive. The more the knowledge we develop, also the more the customers we reach. And we are kickstarting this only for you, and if you are not going to be there, then we are not there. So this is a framework as a service. Like I said, this please you think of a time where you have all this information, everything happening in a single page. If this is going to help you, then you are in a correct place. So please, we are just sharing our contact details as well as email addresses or a telecall or a phone number, whatever you name it, we have it. We are just reaching as much as possible. We are based in Chennai, also we are based in Canada, and you have the contact address and email address available. Please feel free to reach us, and we are definitely there to help you out. Till then, we shall be able to reach you out in the next discussion. And please feel free to reach us again, and if you have any queries and if you think something we have done it wrongly, you can also advise us. At the end of the day, learning is a continuous process. Thank you. Wish you all the best.